lend my voice in support of this very important and indeed people-oriented motion moved by the Senate Committee Chairman on Aviation on the urgent need to review downwards the cost of air ticket in our aviation industry, Mr. President. Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, just this morning, I called my personal assistant to get a ticket for me for 13th of December from Abuja to Enugu. And shockingly, Mr. President, the cost for one-way ticket from Abuja to Enugu is 500,000 naira for airpiece and 460,000 naira for Ibom Air. Mr. President, this is unheard of. This is unheard of. This is over 400% increment at a go. We never had it this way, Mr. President. And that takes us to the question to the Ministry of Aviation of Federal Republic of Nigeria. When are we going to have back our Nigeria Air? If countries like Ghana can have Ghana Air, Ivory Coast have theirs, other countries have theirs, when will Nigeria have our own public transport system, Nigeria Airline? Because we are overdue to have this, Mr. President. So I hereby support this motion, and I want to call on the Minister of Aviation to rise to the occasion and save Nigerians from this unwanted and unfounded extortion by the private airline operators. Thank you, Mr. President.